It's an excellent oil. Coconut is also 40% antifungal. It's because of its other fatty acids as well as the lauric acid. It has caprylic acid and capri acid.
Looking to eliminate parasites without using harsh chemicals? The answer could be simpler than you think. In today's video, we'll be answering important questions such as what natural methods can help eliminate parasites, how can I protect my gut while cleansing, what's the safest and most effective way to detox from parasites. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to safely and naturally cleanse your body of parasites. Parasites can cause serious health issues like fatigue, digestive problems, and skin issues without you even knowing it. While many people turn to expensive medications, nature has safe, powerful remedies that can help. In this video, we'll show you how to use simple ingredients to fight parasites and support your overall health. Let's start with the first step of your parasite cleanse, coconut oil. You've likely heard of it, but do you know how it helps fight off harmful invaders in your body? Did you know coconut oil could help you fight parasites naturally? Coconut oil contains a special compound called lauric acid, which can destroy parasites. It's a gentle and safe way to cleanse your body, improve digestion, and boost your immune system. Start by adding a small amount of coconut oil to your daily routine. Begin with just 1 teaspoon. Over time, gradually increase to 1 tablespoon per day for optimal results. Your body will reward you with better energy levels and improved digestion. As your body works to eliminate parasites with coconut oil, it's essential to support and protect your gut during this process. That's where slippery elm comes in to help. Your gut is the first line of defense against parasites. Here's how to protect it. Slippery elm is an herb that forms a protective gel in your gut, soothing irritation caused by parasites. It also helps your body absorb nutrients better and reduces inflammation. Stir 1 teaspoon of slippery elm powder into warm water and drink it about 30 minutes before meals. This helps protect and soothe your digestive system, making it work more efficiently as you go through your cleanse. Taking care of your gut is essential, but detoxifying your body is just as crucial. Let's talk about how hawthorn berry tea can help support your body's natural cleansing process. How can better circulation help you fight parasites? Hawthorn berry tea helps boost blood circulation, allowing your body to flush out toxins and parasites more efficiently. It also supports heart health, making it a great addition to your cleanse. To make hawthorn tea, simply add 2 tablespoons of dried hawthorn berries to water and simmer for about 10 minutes. Once done, strain the tea and drink it daily. This will help your body naturally eliminate toxins and parasites. Let's explore a surprising solution, eucalyptus oil. It's incredibly powerful at fighting off harmful microbes. Could 1 drop of oil be the key to fighting parasites? Eucalyptus oil is known for its powerful ability to kill harmful microbes and parasites. It's gentle on your body, but tough on unwanted invaders. Just mix 1 drop of eucalyptus oil with a teaspoon of honey or coconut oil and take it once daily. This simple blend helps strengthen your body's natural defense against parasites and enhances your overall health. You've already set up a strong cleanse, but there's one more easy step that can make a big difference. Drink plenty of water. Water may be the most underrated tool in fighting parasites. Drinking enough water helps your body flush out toxins and parasites. Staying hydrated is essential to keeping your kidneys, liver, and lymphatic system working at their best during a cleanse. Aim to drink 2 to 3 liters of clean, filtered water each day. For extra support, you can add a pinch of Himalayan salt to your water to replenish electrolytes and keep your body in detox mode. Now that you've got your parasite cleanse plan in place, let's review how these remedies work together to support your overall health. These remedies work even better when combined together. Coconut oil kills parasites, slippery elm protects your gut, and hawthorn berry tea helps your body detox. For the best results, Add these steps to a healthy, fiber-rich diet that includes lots of vegetables and probiotics. By following these easy steps, you can boost your energy and feel more balanced while naturally detoxifying your body. Let's wrap up the incredible benefits you'll enjoy after this cleanse. You don't need harsh chemicals or pricey medications to eliminate parasites. With these natural remedies, you can help your body detox and feel better than ever. Try these tips today and notice the difference in your health. Don't forget to like and follow for more natural health advice. Comment below and tell us which remedy you're most excited to try, and share this video with anyone who could benefit from a natural parasite cleanse.